Meaning of frustratingly.
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 Frustratingly. The term frustratingly is an adverb that describes something that causes frustration or annoyance due to its difficulty or lack of progress. It implies a sense of exasperation or irritation that arises from being unable to make meaningful progress despite one's best efforts. For example, a task that is frustratingly difficult may cause someone to feel defeated or helpless, even if they've put in a lot of effort to complete it. Overall, frustratingly conveys a sense of difficulty and struggle that can be both discouraging and demotivating.